Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, on this occasion, we are from Group 1, consisting of myself, Rahmanur Aziza, and my friends, Nike Putria Nazma and Naini Siti Nurpala, have been given the opportunity to present the material for the Global Englishes in ELT course with the title, The Role of Global Englishes in ELT. We hope this presentation provides new insight for all of us. And without any further ado, let's start the presentation. Okay, the first point will be delivered by me. Definition. Global English language teaching is an approach developed by Galloway to accommodate the increasingly diverse use of English worldwide. This approach includes the concept of English as a global language, English as a lingua franca or ELF, and world Englishes. GLT aims to challenge the traditional native speaker-centered standard and help students understand the diversity of English in various global contexts. Next slide. Okay, and the next point is the role of global Englishes in LT. English teachers play a crucial role in raising students' awareness of the variation of English and challenging ELT practice that are still oriented toward native speakers. Teachers must ensure that teaching materials and curricula do not solely follow English standard from English speaking countries like the United States or the United Kingdom, but also reflect the various forms of English used across different regions of the world. And in short, Global English Language Teaching or GLT can be explained in 6 pillars. The first is increasing word Englishes and ELP exposure in language curricula. The second is emphasizing respect for multilingualism in ELT. The third is raising awareness of global Englishes in ELT. The fourth is raising awareness of ELP strategies in language curricula. The next is emphasizing respect for diverse cultures and identities in ELT. And the last is changing the English teacher hiring practice in the ELT industry. Okay, next slide. The first is increasing word Englishes and ELT exposure in language curricula. English learning should reflect in global diversity. MCCAT 2012 emphasizes the importance of international communication skill, while Matsuda and Friedrich 2012 proposed 3 approaches: teaching a single variety, using students' own variety, or introducing multiple varieties. Example of GLT implementation include listening journals and exchange students as classroom assistants. Okay, research on word Englishes and English as a lingua franca show that English is used in diverse ways worldwide. Since most English learners will communicate with other non-native speakers, teaching only one standard variety of English, such as American or British English, is considered less effective. Teachers have a responsibility to equip students with communication skills for international context. To help students become more flexible in communication, they need to be introduced to various English varieties. However, this does not mean that all varieties must be taught. The curriculum should be adjusted to students' needs. Some experts propose 3 approaches to teaching English. The first is continuing to teach a single standard variety of English. The second is using variety of English that students are already familiar with. And the third is introducing multiple varieties in classroom practice. One example of implementing this method is having students listen to different English accents and write their reflection, or inviting international students as classroom assistant to expose learners to different communication styles. Okay, next slide. The second is emphasizing respect for multilingualism in ELT. GLT, or Global English Language Teaching, views student first language as an asset rather than a hindrance, different from traditional ELT approaches. MCKI 2012 emphasized the importance of valuing all languages students possess, as international communication often occurs bilingually or multilingually. Okay, in traditional English teaching methods, students' first language was often seen as an obstacle to learning. Many school or English courses enforce as a speak English only rule, as if using students' native language would hinder their learning process. However, the Global English CS language teaching GLT approach views student first language as a valuable resource that can actually help them in real life help them understand and use English more effectively. In real life communication, people often mix multiple language, especially in international conversation. For example, in business discussion or while traveling, people might speak in English but still use a few words from their own language. Because of this, strict rules banning the use of other language in the classroom are now considered less relevant. Some experts suggest that English should be taught with the understanding that students are multilingual speakers. This means that they do not need to be forced to speak like native English speakers, but should instead be encouraged to communicate fluently in different situations. What matters most is that they can use English confidently, adapt to different conversation partners, and appreciate the linguistic diversity that exists in the world. Okay, that's all for me. The next topic will be delivered by Neni Siti Nurpala. Okay, the time is yours.
So here I want to talk about raising awareness of global English in ELT. Raising awareness of global English in ELT is an important step towards enabling students to use English confidently and effectively in global communication. By adjusting learning materials, communication strategies, and attitude towards language variation, ELT can be more relevant to the needs of today's world. Several studies, Galway 2011 and 2013, show that integrating the concept of global Englishes into the curriculum can increase student confidence in using English as an international language. While not all teachers can create a specific course on global Englishes, the concept can still be creatively integrated in existing subjects matter, such as in the English for Academic Purposes program. Next slide. Okay, the next is raising awareness of ELF strategies in language curriculum. Research on word Englishes and English as a lingua franca or ELF has shown that in international communication, success depends not only on standardized language rules, but also on effective communication strategies. ELF emphasizes negotiation of meaning and successful communication over adherence to native speaker norms. Therefore, students need to learn communication strategies that enable them to adapt in different language communication. For example, Seidhofer, 2004, suggests language awareness classes that focus on the flexible nature of ELF. In addition, students should be given opportunities to interact with ELF communication in order to better understand how a language is used in various global contexts. This approach is not only beneficial for non-native speakers, but also for native English speakers who need to understand how to communicate effectively in a multilingual environment. By integrating ELF strategies in the ELT curriculum, students can be better prepared for international communication situation and understand that communication success is more important than linguistic perfection to native speaker standard. Okay, that's all from me. I'll give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Naini. And the next point will be delivered by Nike Putrian. Okay, Nike, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. And the next is the fifth, emphasizing respect for diverse cultures and identities in ELT. Traditional ELT materials often assume that learning English means adopting native English-speaking cultures. ELT should move away from monocultural approaches and focus on intercultural competence. So, English is a global language used by people from various cultures backgrounds, not just in native-speaking countries. So, in ELT can limit student understanding of how English function in multilingual settings. So here, the strategies and the goals. The first strategies is use diverse teaching materials that reflect different cultures and identities. The second is encourage discussion on cultural diversity. So these cultures communication is a communication style. So this third is help students understand that culture is dynamic. So the goals is prepare students for real world, multilingual, multicultural communication. This helps students communicative effectively in diverse real world environment. So rather than just imitating native speakers. So the next is the sixth is changing English teacher hearing practice in ELT. Hearing in ELT still favors native speakers despite research supporting non-native English speaking teachers. So even though research showed that non-native English-speaking teachers have a significant advantages. So here, the native English-speaking teachers bring the key skills. They often have normal teaching qualification and structure training. They understand the challenges of learning English from personal experience. So, here the challenges and the solution. The first challenge is biases and stereotypes still influence hearing. This means still affect decision favoring native speakers. And the second is native speakers ideology remains strong. This means the native as effective roles models. So the solution is focused on teaching expertise, not nationally. And the second is use more inclusive hearing practice And the last is promoting lingual English teaching teachers as role models. Maybe that's all for me. I'll give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Nika, for the explanation. Okay, everyone, maybe this is from us, and we hope our presentation provide new insight for all of us. Okay, thank you, and the last from us, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.